What started as crashing on an air mattress has now become $1 million industry. For those of you who wants to put their money to work and make a decent passive income, Airbnb is a great business. If you are keen to give it a go, I have 10 steps to help you start your own Airbnb hosting business in this year 2024. And yes, it's never late to start it. I'm Sonal Shah, a licensed realtor in Houston, Texas, with 25 plus years of experience. I have brought industry secrets to you, and as usual, there is a bonus tip at the end, so sure to take a pen and paper and make notes to make this a successful venture. Step 1. Finalize a location. Before you plan anything, it is important to research the location. Areas with high tourism or business activity. Use AirDNA for occupancy rates and prices. See if there are tourist attractions nearby. How far is it from your location? What's the situation with public transportation? Understand the kind of guest you will be hosting, premium price or budget price. What is their daily needs? Asking all these questions will help you finalize a location that will work for you. Once the location is finalized, you're ready for step 2. Buy the property. It's time for you to evaluate if you're interested in hosting couples, singles, families, or larger groups. This will help you find a suitable property. It could be a single family residence, multiple story, a townhouse, or a duplex. Extra tip, make sure to check legal regulatory news. Ensure compliance with local laws regarding short-term rentals, including permits and zoning regulations. I just heard that last year, New York is now only allowing up to 30-day rentals unless you live inside your own property. Once you have purchased a property, you're ready for step 3, preparation. Now that you have the perfect property in the perfect area, it's time to prepare it for the guest. You can research your properties around the area by seeing their listing and making sure you offer better amenities. Make necessary renovations. Furnish the property with adequate upgrades. Keep it simple and minimal. Buying furniture from Amazon and IKEA can be cost-saving and easy to replace in case of a breakdown. Add special touches, local art, welcome basket. They will differentiate you from listing from others. You can offer coupons, vending machine outside, a ticket to an attraction, and free pickup from the airport. These changes will set you apart from your competitors and make your property a better option for your guests. Step 4, listing creation. Now that the property is ready, it is the time to put the best foot in the door. Hire a professional to take a photograph of high quality images of your property. Write compelling descriptions. Highlight all unique features, amenities, and nearby attraction to your listing. Set competitive rates. Even if you have property management company, stay involved in the listing descriptions and the photo albums. Add a giveaway according to the season to increase your booking rate. Be honest with your guests to ensure a positive experience and always try to deliver more than what you promise, which will bring us to step number 5, hospitality. The experience of your guest is everything. Make sure it is effortless and helps them make the most out of their trip. For fast checking, you can automate communication using tools like Smart B&B or IGMs and implement a guest screening process to ensure responsible bookings. Be sure to offer something special that costs nothing. In case of any service issues, be sure to offer something complimentary to rectify the situation. Step 6, maintenance. Now that your property is making money for you, it is important to keep it maintained. To do this, you can conduct quarterly inspection to check the property's condition, appliances, plumbing, electrical, and overall all the cleanliness. Be sure to address any issues. Annually check the property's overall health, structure, safety features like smoke detectors and extinguishers. Extra tip, occasionally you can book your own property to assess the whole experience and improve it if need be. As a first-time Airbnb host, this can be a game changer. Step 7, stay on top of the feedback. Your customers are your true friends. who will contact you in case of any issues. Be sure to request feedback from every guest. Once they leave a feedback, respond to them by thanking them or fixing whatever brings the trust. Analyze the feedback to identify areas for improvement and update your offerings based on the demands. Extra tip, in the beginning, you can offer a gift card to guests for leaving a review until you have significant number of reviews. Step 8, market and promote. Now that you have a proof of the concept, your property is earning you money and your customers are happy, it's time to tell it to the world. Promote your listing on social media and travel forums. Partner with local attractions or businesses to create a package deals. Extra tip, you can also invite influencer to your property to get more eyeballs. Step 9, know your numbers. Numbers never lie. Keep track of all your income, expenses, and profits. You can use dynamic pricing tools to adjust the rates based on demand and occupancy levels to maximize your revenue. If there are any issues, your number will tell you. Once you know the return of investment known as ROI, you can replicate the model and multiply it. This will bring us to our final step, number 10, compliance. Now that you have successfully generated a new stream of income for yourself, it is important to stay on top of regulations and changes in local news. Be sure to update your listing regularly based on seasonal changes, special promotions, or new features. By following this systematic strategy, investors have been able to make more than $1 million in annual revenue. Since you made it this far, it's time for me to share your diamond bonus tip. To succeed, offer the cleaning staff and management an extra bonus so your rental always stays occupied and generates steady income. You'll be surprised how a small amount of bonus can help the companies refer you to the best clients. Your staff can do better cleaning and make your place the most wanted Airbnb in your area. And that is my promise. Thank you so much.